Hey there, welcome to Wireless Solutions. Today we are diving into a crucial topic: how to use LastPass on your Android phone. In today's digital age, managing passwords securely is more important than ever. LastPass is a fantastic tool that helps you keep your password safe and easily accessible. So let us get started. Section 1. What is LastPass? First, let us briefly discuss what LastPass is. LastPass is a password manager that stores encrypted passwords online. It helps you generate strong passwords, store them securely, and autofill them across various websites and apps, so you don't have to remember every single password. Now, let us jump into the setup process on an Android device. Section 2. Download and install LastPass. The first step is to download and install LastPass from the Google Play Store. Simply open the Play Store, search for LastPass, and hit the install button. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Section 3. Setting up LastPass account. If you don't have a LastPass account, you will need to create one. Open the app and click on Create an Account. Enter your email address and create a strong master password. Remember, this master password is the key to all your other passwords. To make sure it is something secure and memorable, confirm your password, agree to the terms, and click on Create Account. If you already have an account, simply click Login and enter your credentials. Section 4. Adding passwords to LastPass. Once you are logged in, it is time to add your passwords. There are a few ways to do this. You can manually enter your passwords, or you can import them from your browser. To manually add a password, click on the New button, select Password, and fill in the details like website URL, username, and password. Click Save and you are done. Section 5. Using LastPass to autofill passwords. Now that your passwords are saved in LastPass, let us see how to use the autofill feature. When you visit a website or open an app where you need to log in, LastPass will prompt you to autofill your credentials. Simply tap on the notification, and LastPass will fill in your username and password automatically. This feature not only saves you time but also ensures that you are using strong, unique passwords without having to remember them all. Section 6. Enabling fingerprint authentication. To make logging into LastPass even easier, you can enable fingerprint authentication. Go to Settings, select Security, and enable Fingerprint Unlock. Now, instead of typing your master password every time, you can use your fingerprint to access your vault. Section 7. Secure notes and other features. LastPass isn't just for passwords. You can also store secure notes such as credit card information, Wi-Fi passwords, and other sensitive data. To add a secure note, click on Add Item, select Secure Note, and fill in the details. LastPass will keep this information encrypted and safe. Another great feature is the LastPass Security Challenge. This tool analyzes your saved passwords and gives you a security score, highlighting any weak or duplicate passwords. It is a great way to ensure all your passwords are strong and secure. Section 8. Syncing across devices. One of the best things about LastPass is that it syncs across all your devices. Whether you are on your Android phone, your computer, or your tablet, your passwords are always accessible. Just log in with your LastPass account on any device and you will have all your passwords at your fingertips. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can use LastPass effectively on your Android phone, ensuring your passwords are secure and easily accessible. Remember, the key to strong security is using unique passwords for each account and keeping your master password safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.